హాయ్ అండి, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ వేణుగోపాల్ రెడ్డి ఫ్రమ్ జోష్ ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్, జోష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ ఫారెన్ లాంగ్వేజెస్, ఎడిన్ అండ్ కెరీర్ గైడెన్స్ సంయుక్తంగా విద్యార్థులకు అవసరమైనటువంటి వందలాది వీడియోస్ మనం రూపొందిస్తున్నాం. ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఆ కాలేజ్ ఎట్లుంటుంది, ఈ కాలేజ్ ఎట్లుంటుంది అని మనం రకరకాల కాలేజెస్ గురించి చెప్తూ ఉంటాం. కానీ మొత్తం ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించి ఈ అకాడమిక్గా ఈ సిస్టమ్ ఎలా రన్ అవుతుంది అనే విషయాన్ని గురించి మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా మన ఛానల్లో డిస్కస్ చేయలేదు యాక్చువల్గా చెప్పాలంటే. అందుకని ఈరోజు డాక్టర్ నర్సయ్య సార్తో మనం ఉన్నాము. కేజీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ మొయినాబాద్లో. సార్ వచ్చేసి డీన్ అకాడమిక్స్. ఎందుకంటే ఇంజనీరింగ్ చదవాలి అనుకున్నట్లయితే మనం గ్రౌండ్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటాం, క్యాంటీన్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటాం. కానీ దీనికి గుండెకాయ వచ్చేసి సరైనటువంటి విద్య, సరైనటువంటి ఇంజనీరింగ్ యాటిట్యూడ్, ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ స్కిల్ ఉన్నటువంటి పిల్లలే ముందుకెళ్తారు. కాబట్టి దీన్ని మొత్తాన్ని ఈ టెక్నికల్ సైడ్ని ఇంపార్ట్ చేసేటువంటి ఒక లీడర్ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి నర్సయ్య సార్ని అడిగేసి కేజీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ అనుకోండి, లేకపోతే వేరెవర్ భారతదేశంలో ఏఐసిటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి కరికులం అంతా ఒకటే లెవెల్లో ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఇంజనీరింగ్ లెర్నింగ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, సో అసలు ఈ అకాడమిక్ క్యాలెండర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేక పాయింట్స్ సార్ ద్వారా ఇప్పుడు మనం తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. నమస్కారం సార్.
సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ ఫర్ సెట్టింగ్ ద రైట్ టోన్ ఫర్ ది academics in engineering colleges. Once again, this is Dr. M.N. Narsaya, Dean Academics, KGRCET College of Engineering and Technology. I've been working in this college for last 14 years. So, Sir said the different activities carried out by the academic office is the categorized into three. One is like different activities before the semester and during the semester and after the semester. Let's say before the starting of the semester, the major the activities what we carry out is we prepare academic calendar in line with the JNTU, which includes the classwork starting the mid one examination, mid two examination, then the external examination. So starting of the semester to ending of the semester. Similarly, the second semester. So in that way, for all years, first year, second year, third year, and final year, detailed academic calendars has been shared at least 15 days before the commencement of the classwork and uploaded in the website so that parents and students and all the stakeholders can see and plan their the different activities.
Okay, actually, curriculum distribution ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్?
So curriculum, as the college is an autonomous college, we have 20% of flexibility to design curriculum. Let us say if I have one course, in that course, let's say there are 5 units. Out of these 5 units, only 20% of syllabus can be changed. That's a flexibility given by the university, even AICTU. So we do change 20% of syllabus in all the courses, but we got flexibility in designing curriculum in the form of professional electives. We call them as the technical electives and open electives, where we completely change the syllabus, and also the assessment pedagogy will be completely different for these professional electives. These professional electives are generally designed in line with the industry requirements. Since we got flexibility to design professional electives, domain-wise, department-wise, we'll try to design professional electives, and based on the student choice, they'll choose these professional electives and they'll become experts. So by the time they graduate,
మీరు అంటే ఈ యొక్క ఇంపార్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ అకాడమిక్స్లో సో అంటే మీరు క్యామెక్స్ లాంటి ఒక టూల్ వాడుతున్నారు కదా, ఈ క్యామెక్స్ యొక్క ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటి సార్?
మా సెమిస్టర్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వక ముందే లైక్ వాట్ వి డూ ఇస్ we choose the courses and we ask faculty to choose courses to teach in the next semester. So once the choices has been given by the faculty and the head of the department will try to allocate course for every faculty member, then the faculty members start preparing the course files and also upload the course content in multiple formats in the Campex. As you mentioned, we have learning management system called Campex, and the course content in multiple formats will be uploaded in the Campex, and the credentials will be given to the students so that students can access this format. So when I say multiple formats, it can be handwritten notes, or it can be PPT, or it can be animated videos, or it can be PDF. Any form of the content related to that course is uploaded, and this content which is uploaded in the Campex is verified multiple number of times whether the content uploaded by faculty is relevant to the related to the syllabus, or the content is will be useful for the students or not. In all the aspects, the expert team will verify this course content uploaded in the Campex. And once if it is done, then we give this credential to the students, and students can access and download this particular content, and they can read.
How frequently you conduct this class representative meeting, and what is the purpose and what is the outcome of it, sir?
Right. So, once if the semester is started, as I mentioned, monthly once we conduct class representatives meeting, and for this meeting we at least 2 days before we inform to the class representatives, and also we ask CRs to discuss with their classmates if they have any concerns, and they'll note down these concerns, and they'll be attending the meeting with concerns shared by this particular section. So myself, along with the principal sir and associate dean, we three of us sit and interact the year-wise, department-wise, and academic and administrative active, any concerns if they have. All the points will be noted. Once if this meeting is done, then we'll immediately call the concerned authorities, if it is academics heads, if it is administrative AO, and we'll try to share the concerns, and wherever it is possible, immediately we'll try to solve them. But
Okay.
definitely we'll ensure the concern shared by the CRs will be addressed before the next CRs meeting. So in that way, the CRs meeting is another platform for the student to share their concerns. They can raise their voice to express their concerns, what they're facing in the classrooms, in the labs, even in the campus while they're traveling. So in that way, it is another platform for the student to express their concern, and it's a good opportunity for us to hear them and try to address these concerns.
Okay, so nowadays everybody are talking about project-based learning. So how you are ensuring your KGRD students with respect to project-based assessment?
Generally, sir, when we are affiliated to university, there is a concept of writing assignments. So when, as a teacher, when we ask students to write assignments, simply they used to copy from the textbooks and just submit. Otherwise, they used to copy from other student and submit. Based on that, when we critically analyzed the kind of interest they're taking in terms of writing assignments, was not that much useful for the students. So what we did, we have to put a full stop for this conventional assignments and start doing project-based assignments, where the students are expected to build some projects in the respective departments. So where students can go through the experiential learning rather than writing assignments. They're expected to get some components and try to build something and try to give some input and how it is processing and how the results are getting. So when the students are expected to design design an app, obviously they have to do a lot of literature, and they have to come with some problem, and they have to come with some method, algorithm, solution, and they should also test the design or the algorithm, whether the expected results are getting. So in this process, really the learning, because it's not conventional way of writing exams or conventional way of writing assignments, they're really involved in building something which will solve small problems around us. That's what the engineering is.
Sir, actually, when we are talking about KGRD College of Engineering, being it is a mid-tier engineering college, so the range of students, I mean, like with the ranks starting with 13,000-14,000 to up to, in some of the branches, it may go up to 1 lakh. So if you go to the core branches as well. So how you manage these students? Because engineering, the persons who have studied already, generally this is that backlogs is a very common thing whenever it comes to engineering. So how do you balance these students? One student, maybe the merit of the merit students will come to KGRD, and one student maybe, I mean, like a bit dull in academics. How do you engage both these students? How do you pick up them, those who are very, I mean, like somehow dull in academics? So how do you patch them up? What are the strategies you are using for doing this?
Yes, sir. I agree with you completely. Because the kind of students takes admissions in this institution is completely diverse. Some students from the very good family background, some of them are moderate background, some of them completely from rural background. So, but teaching is like raining. As a teacher, we need to teach common uniformly for everyone. But here we have unique system, unique process of categorizing the students into slow, medium, advanced learners from the second year onwards. But once for inducing the students, first year students in this institution, we conduct minimum 2 weeks of induction program, 2 weeks to 1 month of induction program. In this particular induction program, what we do is we try to plan different activities to understand what is KGRCET and how they're going to spend 4 years of time in this college. Where is the library? Where is the canteen? Where is the department? How their staff? What is mentoring system? What is ethics? What is the technological changes happening across the globe? And what is mentoring process? All the best practices what we implement in this institution will be clearly explained in the induction program. So by the time the induction program is completed, the students gets complete idea of how KGRCET functions, what are the centers of excellence in this institution, what are the departments, what is the priority areas, and what is the focus areas in the next 4 years expected to focus. So this induction program really helps them to understand KGRCET, College of Engineering and Technology, and their future plan in the next 4 years, and our focus areas as per the vision and mission of the institution. And in that way, we categorize.
Okay, so I would like to know a few things, sir, because all the childs who completed their 10th class and intermediate, they don't know at all about their credit system. So generally, BTech will consist of around 160 credits. So how this has been distributed among different years, and how this minor degrees has been incorporated in the system.
First, sir, you mentioned credits. In engineering, 160 credits as per the ASCT they're expected to get. This overall 160 credits is distributed across the 4 years as 40, 40, 40. So first year 40, and the first year we have semester 1 and semester 2, 20 plus 20. Similarly, second year 20 plus 20. Like that, 4 years, every year 40. So 40 into 4, it will be 160 credits, and students are expected to get this particular 160 credits. And credit definition, the credit system, the promotion, the detention process, the promotion process, and we have, as I mentioned in the induction program, there is one 2-hour session by myself, where I'll be explaining them what is the course structure, what is credit system, what is the rules, regulations. All these things will be detailed explained to the students so that they'll have clear mindset moving forward when they're trying to study in the semester, one semester to another semester, or 1 year to another semester. So after this 2-hour session, they'll completely get what regulation to study, what is credit system, what is the detention process, what is the promotion process, how many number of minimum credits they're expected to get from 1 year to another year. So that this session really helps them to understand academic regulations of the institution.
So how these minor degrees are helping the students in achieving their goals? Because now it is a interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary approach is gaining importance nowadays during this academic journey. So in KGRCET, what are the minor degrees you are offering at various branch levels, and how this help in student placements?
Obviously, sir, this academic year, this means like 26-27 academic year, we have taken 2 minor degree programs which are offered by, one is MBA department, second is CSC department. So the minor program offered by MBA department is Innovation and Entrepreneurship. The second minor degree offered by Computer Science and AML, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. And these are the 2 programs offering these minor degrees. When I say CSC AML minor degree program is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. And this minor degree program can be opted by all other students except AML department.
Okay.
So, example, let's say civil mechanical students, CC students, the core branches students want to study and understand what is machine learning, what is artificial intelligence, because these are the buzzwords nowadays, everything artificial intelligence. But these kind of curriculum, fortunately or unfortunately, we do not have in the mechanical, civil and EC department. So they can have original degree, main degree in their core domain, and the minor degree in this particular. So that everywhere now, like AI is applied in civil engineering, AI is applied in mechanical engineering, AI is applied in easy. So it's now AIML is not alone to the computer science students. It's everywhere, and the applications of this artificial intelligence in the different domains.
Okay, so how, I mean, like, so everything has been disrupted by artificial intelligence. Likewise, the education department also. So how KG Reddy faculty as a Dean Academics are incorporating artificial intelligence tool in your academics in teaching pedagogy as well as learning pedagogy?
As because now we are teaching to the students who are 21st century learners, Gen Z, what we call them as. The aristocratic teaching in the classrooms they don't like. What I mean to say, I'll go to the class with chalk and talk and teach 1 hour, 2 hours continuously without understanding whether the students listen to me or not, following me or not. What this Gen Z expects is a lot of interaction with the faculty. The student-centric teaching will be carried out in the classroom. So student-centric teaching means what I mean to say, like the 60 minutes of time we'll try to categorize into the opening of the class, then delivering of the first chunk, then we'll have some activity to get the attention of the students, then we'll deliver the second chunk, then again we have some other activity. So if you see the attention span of the 21st century learners, not even 10 minutes. If you teach continuously 10 minutes, their focus will be only, they'll concentrate only for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, they lost their attention. So for every 10 minutes, there should be some break and have some activity, have some fun in the class. And we make the learning as fun in the classrooms. In that way, we'll take the attention of the students in the class.
Okay, sir. Finally, sir. So, because counseling is happening now. So, what is your message to students and parents who would like to opt KG Reddy Engineering College as Dean Academics? I mean, like, how you are. I mean, like, being so many job lists are happening in the market. How you are making sure that their career is AI proof and they'll get into a good job market by learning at KG Reddy. So, what is your final message to students and parent community?
I only says this is the best place for all the parents and students because I've been here for last 15 years around. For the students, this is the best place. The reason I'm mentioning this is the best place to learn is what are the activities we do here. So holistic, we will take care of holistic development of the students. It's not just we ask for students to be in the classes. And apart from the classes also, the students can learn a lot of things by organizing, by leading, by involving. Whenever the opportunity is given to a student, how the student will lead the teams. Whenever the students become a members in a teams, how we support. All these things they learn actually. By the time of graduation, they'll be mentally prepared to face the consequences of the industry and the skills. And apart from that, we do, as I mentioned, we do introduce courses in the form of professional electives and open electives where the students really do some projects rather than writing the exams for these courses. And that really makes difference compared to other colleges where the students is expected to build or develop some applications or some circuits or products. So in that way, they learn a lot of things. Hope that experience and skill sets which they learn through this professional electives will help them to place in the best MNCs. In the last year, sir, as you mentioned, all the eligible students, what I mean to say eligible students in this, the students who do not have backlogs, we could place all of them in the MNCs.
It is very nice to hear that, sir.
And the 20 lakhs is the highest package in the last year, and every year we are trying to increase this. And average package is also increasing because the placement is an index of any institution, and we do have a lot of trainings to place the students. Not only place, the ultimate object of this institution, our students should not look for the jobs, they should create jobs instead of looking for the jobs. That's the reason we are offering these minor degree courses and some of the professional electives and open electives where the students can become entrepreneur and try to create the jobs rather than looking for the jobs.
Thank you so much, sir. Your insights and experience will help the students who are coming to KG Reddy. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.